Design thinking. Design thinking is a method and process used to create a product or service. It allows the designer to build something that directly focuses on the end user. This creates something that gives direct value to the customer while also seizing market opportunity. The design thinking process is broken into 4 major parts. To successfully master this process, let's break it down step by step. First, you must understand your problem so that you can work to solve it. Next, you begin to explore what you know about the problem, how you can interpret it, and see what opportunities lie beyond. Then, you enter the prototype phase where you begin to create a working model. Finally, you evaluate your progress and determine how you can evolve it to capture more success in the future. One of the founders of design thinking is David Kelly. He ran an international design and consultancy firm. His firm handled large clients across the world, and his design thinking model helped create massive success for these brands. As you move through this process, your focus will expand to look at various possibilities. Then you will narrow down to the best possible options. This constantly repeats and evolves throughout the design thinking process. By simply understanding what new opportunities await and how you can approach these problems, you will set your team up for massive success. As we begin our design thinking process as a class, your team will identify the challenges and needs, and then find or create opportunities to design a product that solves a challenge and need. Each team member will have specific roles. As you work together through the design thinking process, be aware of how each of you can use your strengths to complement one another and drive the success of your team. Remember, your goal is to take the idea and to transform it into a product or service. As a team, you are responsible for a key part of this process. Remember what your role is and how you can best help your team win. As you identify your challenge and conduct your research, be inspired. The next great idea is out there waiting, and with the right approach, your team can make that idea a reality. Remember that as you move through this early discovery phase, work to clearly understand your challenge that you are trying to solve. Is your product or service at risk of becoming obsolete? Is the group paying attention to the details? Remember to act fast and find a forward action. Failing early and often will often drive a better product or service.